everyone, welcome back to Card Magic 101. Today we're going to be going over an easy card trick that gets good reactions. It's also a very great first card trick to do if you're going to do a couple card tricks for some people. I'd say that it's powerful enough that it'll get good reactions, but it's also light enough that it's not like the ambitious card routine. That one's probably a little too powerful to do as a first trick, but this one's great. It's easy to learn. But before we get into the video, I wanted to remind you to like the video and subscribe and turn on notifications so that you're informed whenever I post a video. Also, I just wanted to mention that I got some new playing cards. They're the Memento Mori playing cards designed by Murphy's Magic and specifically designed by Chris Ramsey. They're great playing cards. They're about $10 on Amazon. They have great designs. I specifically like the face cards. They look really cool. The backs of the cards are great. They look really cool. Very nice cards. They look a lot more expensive than they really are. So that's one reason I like them so much. But yeah, make sure to check them out. They're great cards. I highly recommend them. So, with that being said, let's jump into the performance of the trick. So, this is an impromptu trick. So, the cards can be shuffled by the spectator. I don't have one here with me, so I'll just shuffle the cards myself. And I would have the spectator select a card or name their favorite card, whatever they like. They really have a free choice. So, let's say they pick this card, the 9 of diamonds. So first what we're going to do is we're going to lose the card into the deck. So we'll give the cards a shuffle as well. Make sure that the location of your card is not known by me or you. So what we'll do now is we'll take the top card, the 3 of hearts. And we're going to take the 3 of hearts and we're going to put it inside the card box. 3 hearts goes in, and basically what's going to happen is, close that up, we're going to try to get the 3 of hearts out of here and get the 9 of diamonds in. So first, it's kind of a two-step process. So first we're going to try to get the 3 of hearts out. So there's an invisible string, so if I just pull up, you can see the 3 of hearts has now jumped to the bottom of the deck. So now, all we have left is to get the 9 of diamonds in. So if I give the deck a rub, a snap, you can see that inside there's one card, and one card only, the 9 of diamonds. So yeah, that's the tutorial guide. That's the performance, guys, and now let's jump into the tutorial. Alright guys, that was the performance, and now let's jump into the tutorial. So, the only prerequisites for this trick is you need a normal deck of cards, and you need to be able to control a card and do a double lift. So those are the only requirements for this trick. Besides that, there's really nothing else you need to know. So yeah, let's jump into the tutorial. So it really is an impromptu trick. You can shuffle the cards as much as you like. Have the spectator shuffle them as well. And they really are picking whatever card they want. So let's say they pick this card. So you can look at the card, or you can have it where you don't know what the card is. I like to be able to know what the card is, so for better explanation of what's going on. And then all you're gonna do is do a control to the top. I put a pinky break over the card and then cut off half of the top half, the rest of the top half, and then put the rest on top to take the Queen of Diamonds and put them on top. You can also do a classic pass. A classic pass is probably better for that situation, but I have just not mastered the classic pass. You can also do a spread pass, which if you'd like me to make a tutorial on that, I can. It's the first pass I've ever learned, and it's a very easy pass. It's probably the easiest pass, and it still works super well. So the Queen of Diamonds is on top. And what you'll do is you're going to do a double lift. I can make a tutorial on that as well, if you'd like. Just let me know in the comments. So we have the 10 of diamonds here, which is the second card from the top. And then I did this in card box, but normally you would have the spectator hold out their hand and put their hand on top. So that kind of the spectator is involved with the trick, which works really well too. So you're going to take the quote-unquote 10 of diamonds, which is really their card, and put it in the spectator's hands. And then you're going to overhand shuffle so currently what they think, the 10 of diamonds is what they think is in their hands, and it's on the top. So what you're going to do is an overhand shuffle, but you're going to peel down one card, and then just shuffle the rest over it. And then you can shuffle it again, but just make sure that you pull down on that bottom card to retain it on the bottom. And you can shuffle as much as you like, as long as you are retaining that card on the bottom. Then really the trick is done. So it's all presentation. So whatever way you want, you can have the 10 of diamonds jump to the bottom of the deck, and then have their card, the Queen of Diamonds, jump into their hands. So that's really the trick, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more beginner tricks, intermediate tricks, advanced tricks, sleight of hand tutorials, cardistry tutorials, or just like little things like learning to riffle shuffle or pharaoh shuffle. Just anything like that you want to learn, just let me know. But that's all I got. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.